right, fish on. Took the nymph. Wow, it's a brown. How pretty. Thank you, baby. All right, we'll let you go. How pretty. There we are. Thank you. All right. Got a small guy. Ate my nymph again. It ate my salmon fly. Woo! Woo! Oh, it ate my nymph. Not the salmon fly. Woo! Woohoo! Nice. Look at this fat baby. It's not that big. It may be 12 inches, but it's fat. Let you go, baby. Look at this fat fish. So fat. There he is. Thank you. There he is. You come back to me? All right. Okay, it ate my trico nymph with a little wing. Yeah. Oh, off it goes. Yeah, they're rising down here. Little guy. Maybe about 7 inches. No, it ate my betas.